Okay, it's almost sunset time. You can see the real greenery of my village and my terrace pots garden and my little plants here. Here we are going to plant these little saplings we bought online last week, and you can see the healthy plant saplings after we transfer them into your temporary pots, and you can see the little buds and new leaves in the plant. This is a healthy plant. It has a potential to grow. Okay, these are the 10-inch pots I bought online. You can see it's a strong terracotta colored pot. It's big enough for this plants, and you can see there is no drainage holes. I make in a drainage hole. Now I am adding cocoa pit, 2 cups of cocoa pit in 6-inch pots. Cocoa pit gives aeration to the plants that makes to grow root healthy. Now you see I'm adding cow dung manure and vermicompost each parts. I reduce the ratio of the vermicompost and cow dung manure because this chrysanthemum plant doesn't need more fertilizers. Okay, now I'm adding a fertilizer mix and an Epsom salt to extra good. Give a good mix with the hand rake tool. I'm adding all those products link in comments. Check out if you want to buy this all. Now you see in the green lush view of this little sapling, this sapling has a little green leaves and buds on it, and now I'm checking this plant with a healthy view, and now I'm pull out the plant carefully and making sure the sapling doesn't broke in, and making a little hole on the pot to plant a sapling. You don't need any tool to make the hole. You can make the hole from the hands, and you can put the sapling inside. Now you can see I'm gently making a hole and press soil towards the sapling and gently make press on them. You need to cover the stem above the roots to make sure the plant. Just give a gentle press on the plants to make them set in the pot. Then we are going to add some liquid fertilizer for this plant. Sea wet fertilizer. You can add with 1 liter ratio with 3 ml sea wet fertilizer, and this fertilizer gives a measurable growth to the plants and help to grow. Now you can add water with the sprinkling method. This method helps to prevent root damaging and keeps your plant healthy.